Silver, I told you so. Yeah, I'll admit it, nobody likes to hear, I told you so, especially at home. But if you've been calling it this loudly for so long, you've earned the right to say it. Now, whether you've been following the silver markets or not, you're going to want to hear what's coming next. Just a few weeks ago, the gold to silver ratio crossed 100 to 1. Now it's dropped to around 90 to 1. And silver surged past 35 an ounce, its highest level in over a decade. We've seen this before. Gold breaks first, headlines follow, and silver comes out of nowhere to steal the spotlight. I've been telling people this for years. Silver lags, then it launches, and this time the setup was obvious. That is, if you were paying attention. Look back to 2008. The gold-silver ratio was about 80 to 1. By 2011, it dropped to 32 to 1. Silver didn't just run, it outperformed gold by 2 to 1. Now here we are again, back around 90 to 1. This isn't guesswork. This is pattern recognition, and silver has been following the playbook line by line. But this time, silver isn't just rising on fear, it's rising on fundamentals. In 2024, solar alone consumed 232 million ounces of silver, a 64% jump from the year before. Total global demand hit 1.24 billion ounces. Over 60% of silver is now used in industrial applications, electric vehicles, AI data centers, 5G infrastructure, and most of that silver is never coming back. We're now in our 5th straight year of a structural supply deficit. The projected shortfall for 2025 alone is 117 million ounces. Mining output is down 7% since 2016, and recycling maxes out at about 180 to 195 million ounces per year. This market isn't just tight, it's stretched to the edge. So we understand, the market's tight. But what's coming next? What's fueling this pressure? You're going to want to understand this because the opportunity in silver is immense. U.S. debt has passed 120% of GDP, with annual deficits above 6%. Globally, central banks are diversifying, and even Russia has started adding silver to its reserves. And the geopolitical landscape is a room full of powder kegs. Israel, Iran, Ukraine, Taiwan. Any one of them could light the fuse. So here's the bottom line. Silver isn't just knocking, it's kicking down the door. And if you're watching this video, you might be thinking, am I too late? Well, the answer is no. You're actually right on time. Listen, I don't just make noise. I analyze the data, I recognize patterns, and then I come to conclusions. So what's my conclusion about silver? Silver is speaking very loudly, and we should be paying attention. And if you've been watching my videos over the years, you know one thing. I told you so.